Hi guys, here's some facts that I have recently been looking up about littering. So the first is about 9 billion tons of litter actually ends up in the ocean every year. And some may say that this may not affect it that much. They don't see that how their one bottle could affect that. But many of the fish and many of the sea life that are in these oceans are actually being killed off because of plastic ending up in their water and where they live. Another fact is about $11.5 billion is spent every year just to clean up litter. And that is a lot of money just to clean up what some people could just throw away easily. The third fact is about 50% of littered items are actually cigarette butts, which is insane because there are actual designated spots for cigarette butts to go specifically. In a poll conducted in the state of Tennessee, 50% of smokers claim that they properly dispose of their cigarette butts, but as you can see, about 50% of litter items are actually cigarette butts, so there's still an issue with that. Another fact is that 75% of people admitted that they litter in the past 5 years. 75% of people, that is 3/4 of our country that is saying that they litter every year. And if 75% of people are admitting that they litter, that is so much litter that is going into our atmosphere and our earth, and that's just creating so much devastation on our earth and just creating chaos. Another fact is that the most common object found during litter cleanup is actually fast food, which people could easily throw out at a fast food restaurant. According to a national study, most people who deliberately litter are those between the ages of 18 and 34, which is terrible for our generation, but it is something that we have to deal with and we have to get better with. And in West Virginia, the Department of Transportation listed that 8 sources of litters, which include motorists, pedestrians, uncovered trucks, and boaters, which actually is an abundance of people right there, that more litter is being created. So these are just some facts that I thought I'd touch on and let you guys know that is going on in the world. But I think that it definitely brings some light and tells us that we need to pick it up and actually look at what we're littering and what we're doing to our own earth that we live in.